equivalent to Ketraco. The equivalent of Ketraco is this.
This guy is one about generation. As invested around $7 billion also project. That one is service provider. That's the one who sells it.
Oh, okay. The KPLC.
KPLC. This is KPLC.
No, this is Ketraco.
Ketraco.
Yes,
okay, the same.
Ketraco and the Kenya.
Yes.
This is EPCO, this is Ketraco in Kenya. So at the end of the month, they will freeze and we with the numbers and confirm the amount of energy that flowed from one country to the other country.
Okay.
Yes.
The point is that the 2 meters, Your Excellency, whereas the Ethiopia have a meter here, we have a meter. In Ethiopia, we have a meter and they have a meter.
Oh.
So we read both and they read both and we compare.
It must be identical.
Okay.
So once a month at midnight, the meters will read at the same time and then we compare the units. They have to be the same.
You know, there are lots of laws
along the way.
Yeah.
They want to make sure that they
Not much. We see the losses there. Very small. Not much.
2% only?
2%.
Oh, yeah, on transmission.
On high capacity line is very small.
Because I think they take it up.
2%?
If it is a normal AC, it will be much higher.
Yes.
Want to you
Proceed. Good afternoon. Ongeza sauti kidogo.
I will take you through the system overview for the interconnector between Ethiopia and Kenya. So on this screen we have on the left page where we can be able to see the Ethiopian converter station similar to where we are. And on the right side we have the Suswa converter station. So Ethiopia converter station and Suswa converter station, they are joined together by a high voltage direct current line and HVDC line that enables us to exchange power from Ethiopia to Kenya. So from this system here, the control room, we are able to monitor live. So we are able to monitor the parameters as they occur, as they change, and you're able to intervene if required. At the moment, Ethiopia is exporting 200 megawatts, and we are receiving 195 megawatts. So this also we are able to see here, and we're able to coordinate in case there is any issue. So commercial operation of the station started in December 2023. This was after a period of trial operations from January 2023 to December. The station was under trial operation just to monitor all the parameters are okay.
So 2 months ago
Yes, 2 months ago.
is when the commercial.
Yes. But prior to that, there was power exchange between the two countries just on trial operation. Then as part of monitoring, we have several screens that are displayed here. All of them.
What is that first? What is that? Is that the whole line from that is just around here?
Surveillance is here.
For this,
Yes, that's
these screens are just for within the converter station.
okay.
So here the different screens are just for monitoring purposes for our staff who are sitting at the converter station to make sure all subsystems
Are these screens live?
Yes.
That screen is this screen. It's also active over there.
For example, you can see these are the current readings. Ethiopia is sending 200 megawatts and we are receiving 196 and 195. It varies as it is received.
Okay.
So after receiving the power...
So that 5 megawatts drop is actually 2%, Excellency. That's what we are saying. The 5 megawatts we are dropping because of losses. Out of the 200 represents 2.5% losses.
Your Excellencies, after receiving the power in HVDC, we now convert it to HVAC and then connect it to our grid. So on the Ethiopian side, they have HVAC first, they convert it to HVDC, then they transmit it over the line, then we receive it at Suswa in HVDC, we convert it to HVAC and connect it to our network. This installation for conversion, you'll be able to physically see it once we complete the presentation here. The equipment are down.
Good. Excellent.
Thank you.
Your Excellency, proceed.
Not yet. We just came to see. We do it. We need a ceremony.
Yeah, in ceremony.
These two guys say they need a ceremony.
I thought this is the official commitment.
No.
So the line comes from.
Those are the two lines.
Oh, that is the one from Ethiopia.
Yeah, that's the terminal. That 1,057 kilometers.
It right here.
Yes, that point here. And then there's one pole that goes to the converter hole. The one goes to the hole. Then we have what we call the ground return. The line between the small one goes on that side of the mountain, so they have a similar in solar. Yes, return the water. Then maybe the AC system. When you go inside, you'll notice that convert from DC to AC, there's equipment that has to be kept quite at a closer temperature. Okay. So we have to get the ionized water at 16 degrees. Currently, I think for the water output is 56 degrees to ensure that that conversion is done at constant temperature. And it's again come back as a later.
So we have these radiators for cooling. Heat exchangers.
Yes, maybe you have to explain on the other side. You can see it's a line. Yeah. The one on that side, if you go approximately 96 kilometers, you find a subsidiary called Fusinya. Now, from there, it's connected to Arusha very soon. So another 200 kilometers to Arusha. So that's the line we use to move the power from Ethiopia to this place all the way to Tanzania. But we also have smart Nairobi.
Yeah, of course, this is our line that we use to supply another areas, right?
Yes, yes.
But now it will also carry the one for Arusha. Yeah? Yeah. Great.
We have those two main lines. That line on the left is the bigger Nairobi North line.
Okay.
The one that currently carrying about 60% of the power in
Nairobi.
The other one, the one that goes to Sinya, then branches off to Arusha, then heads straight on one side. And on the left, again, heads to Congress.
Yeah.
Yes. And that line, eventually, by the end of the year, we want to push it at 400. And one side right now is powered at 400, but both sides now will be powered at 400 together with as much power as possible to that side. Then the smaller line that goes that way, the one that you can see on the far right, is the ground electrode. Yes, the ground electrode.
To do what? To stabilize the
engineer.
There are two ways to bring power from Ethiopia under HVDC system. You said the capacity is 2,000 megawatts. That means one pole can carry 1,000, the other pole can carry 1,000. Now, with the DC system, you have to turn the power, like a battery circuit, it has to be completed. So it takes somewhere under the ground, it goes and comes out in Sondo, you know the ground. So that's one way of preparing it. But right now,
but there is no line.
We don't get it in the bed, right? That has a magnetic way of carrying it.